Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some slick locks for the Nissan NV compact van. Let's get into it. Okay, like I mentioned, this is for the Nissan NV200, not to be confused with the full-size Nissan NV or the NV1500, 2500, 3500. This is the compact version of the van, so it's a different kit. This has the two sliding doors on it on both sides of the van. So right here we have our blade brackets for each sliding door, our passenger side and our driver's side. Looks like this is our driver's side and this is our passenger side. It's labeled right here. And the way that the blade brackets work is you actually take out a couple of bolts that are already on the side of the door or the side of the van, and you take those bolts out, you put this in place, put those bolts back in, and you got a little hasp here for you to put your lock on the bracket, and it basically prevents the door from being opened. So that's how you lock the side door. So we have two of these, one for each door. So we're gonna have 3 locks total, one for each side door and then one for the rear doors. And our rear door brackets look like this. We have a, let's see, this is the rear right and this is the rear left. So interesting looking bracket right here, probably because you're gonna have to go around the lip of the door a little bit. And then these are gonna come together in some manner like that. And so we got 2 brackets for the rear doors, and then you're gonna have 1 lock that sits over top of this hasp, prevents you from opening those back doors. So 3 locks, they're all key to like, and you actually get a set of 2 keys per lock. So in this case, you're gonna get 6 keys. Every single key is the same because they're all key to like. They can open each of those locks. So you've got lots of extras here on hand. It does look like there are some bolts that are needed for installation. This might be for the side door or each side door, I'm not quite sure, but it does provide that hardware in the box. We also get our installation instructions here. We get some of these nice clear stickers that you'll put behind. Usually you put these behind the sliding door brackets and it just prevents this from scratching and scuffing the paint on the van. So that's the nice thing about slick locks. They're all about protecting the van. You don't have to drill any holes in there to get these to sit on the van. So a pretty simple unboxing here. Again, this is for the Nissan NV200, which is the same as the Chevrolet City Express. So this is gonna be the same kit for both of those vans. Now, if you're looking for these slick locks or you're looking for any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.